Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Ahuja from Dronacharya Public School. In my last video, I told you about the prime factorization method for finding highest common factor, that is HCF. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the common division method for finding HCF. I told you that there are three methods to find the HCF. First one was the prime factorization method, which I have told you in the last video, and the second one is common division method, and the third one is long division method. So starting from the common division method, I will take one example. Suppose I have two numbers 72 and 90. Okay, then I will write 72 and 90 in one row सेपरेटिंग बाय द कॉमा. हम इसको एक ही रो में लिखेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में हम उसको अलग अलग रो में लिखते थे, बट इन द कॉमन डिविजन मेथड आई विल राइट these numbers in only one row. So first of all, when I will start to divide these numbers, I will check that the both numbers are divisible or not. Suppose I am dividing both the numbers by 72. 72 is divisible, 90 is divisible by 2. Why? Because they are containing 2 and 0 in their last digits. So divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now this is 36 and this is 45. Now we can see here 36 is divisible by 2, but 45 is not, because here is 5 in the last digit. So we can not divide it by 2, क्योंकि दोनों से वो नंबर दोनों नंबर को वो डिवाइड करना चाहिए. सपोज एक को कर रहा है और एक को नहीं, तो हम वो नंबर यहाँ पर नहीं ले सकते. सो दिस शुड बी very clear to you all that these numbers are divisible by only one number or not. मतलब वो जो numbers हैं, वो जो number है वो इन दोनों numbers को divide करना चाहिए. So I am taking 3 because 36 is divisible by 3 and 45 is also divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 12 and 15 are divisible by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now the question arises where we have to stop. We will stop when we will see that there are no any common factors between the numbers. 4 के factors होंगे 2 into 2 and 5 के factors होंगे 1 into 5. तो कोई common factor नहीं है, so we can stop here. So HCF will be 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. And yes, if you will find out the HCF by the prime factorization method or the long division method, you will get the same answer. अगर आप इसको prime factorization से भी करते तो आपकी आंसर सेम आती. No any difference between them. Now again I am taking another example, which is 15 and 26. Then how you will do that? Again we will write 15 and 26 in one row. Now you will see that 15 is not divisible by 2, but 26 is divisible by 2. So we cannot take that number. Okay. Again, this is 15 and this is 26. So dividing it by 3. 15 is divisible by 3, but 26 is not. So again we cannot take 3. 4. 15 is not divisible by 4 and 26 is also not divisible by 4. So 4 is also cannot be taken. 5. 15 is divisible by 5 but 26 is not. Okay. So we can see here there is no any common factor between the 15 and 26. So HCF will be only 1 is the common factor between the 15 and 26. So HCF is 1 because there is no any common factor between 15 and 26. So HCF will be 1 because these numbers are only divided by 1. Taking another example, that is 16 and 24. Again we will do the same thing. We will write 16 and 24 in the one row. 16 and 24 both are divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again both are divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again both are divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 and 3, they don't have any common factors, so we cannot proceed further. So HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So answer is 8. In this way you can solve the questions of HCF by the common division method. Try to solve the questions of your exercise 3.2 given in your book. Thank you.